Today is another beautiful day, and I want to welcome you to Food Gist from Sonia's Kitchen. Today's gist is going to be on chicken oyster sauce. We'll be needing 1000 gram of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 10 French green chilies cut into two, 1 ginger, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 4 cloves of garlic, half cup of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, bell peppers sliced into the shape you desire, 5 leaves of basil roughly torn. Let's go cook. First of all, I'm going to be turning in the vegetable oil. And let the oil get hot a bit. And now the oil is hot enough, so I'll start stir frying the chicken. I'm going to be stir frying until it's golden brown or cooked. At this stage, I'm going to put in the garlic, and the chili pepper, and of course I added scotch bonnet to it because I love spicy food. So because I love spicy food, does it mean I'm one of the spice girls? Think about it. Don't leave me! Remember, in stir fries, you don't leave, you don't cover. It's a quick meal to fix. Next, I'll be adding the garlic, the sugar, salt, the sesame oil, the oyster sauce, the oyster sauce has gone in, the garlic has gone in, the soy sauce has gone in, the sugar, and now the bell peppers. So I'm going to leave it a little for 5 minutes and let the chicken cook through. And so when my chicken and oyster sauce is ready. How fast is that? Come, let's serve and eat together. And here we go, our chicken in oyster sauce. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Full Gist from Sonia's Kitchen. Give us a thumbs up, as many as you want, as you wish, and God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye.